Hello, you guys. I feel so good to be in my sewing room. It's been a while. Today, we're going to be working with this fabric. Ooh, that looks so good. It's a blanket, and we're going to be making a pair of pants. So, first, I want to say that our little board is filling up here. I forgot to put this like in the last two videos. So the things that we have left are the pants that we're doing today, the jeans that I have not been able to thrift for still, the jacket, the floral jacket, and the mystery item. Anyway, so this is the pattern that I'm going to be using today. A very basic elastic waist pant. I might widen the leg a little bit. And this pair of pants has inspired me. I love the stripes on the side and how they come forward to the front of the pant. So I'm going to take the solid part of this blanket and make it my stripe that comes forward. So that's going to require a little bit of ripping. Let's get started. I'm gonna rip this band off first. Okay, so I have my front sitting here. I feel like I really need to put some type of interfacing on the inside of this. It's just kind of flimsy. So I'm gonna need two of these. And I'm also thinking I should put some on the back because why not? Because then it'll make it just as interesting on the back. I'm going to cut okay. I have all of the pieces cut out and I have my stripe pinned down each side, curves to the like almost center front of the leg, and I got 4 pieces to sew. Well, they look okay. I know this is the best lighting. You can get in. Just go ahead. Hurry up. I got pins all in the side. I cut the back down. I feel like I cut it too low, but with a waistband, it'll be fine. My issue now is I have put darts in here. Darts in the back. I got a pocket in here, which I might could open up just a little bit more, but I've got so much fabric in here. And I don't know if just cutting it out will work. I gotta cut out a waistband. Whenever I make wide leg pants, I feel like there's too much fabric in here and it looks better if I taper some of that out. So I'm gonna do all of that, but I ain't gonna do it tonight. So maybe the video will go up on Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday or Friday. I don't know. But I'm tired. Good night. Hi. I know. And they still not done. And they're still not done. Just getting back around to picking up these pants. I did at some point put the zipper in. I don't even remember doing it. But I made the adjustments here on the side where the pocket is, and it's kind of making the pocket like you can see the satin in there. I don't love that, but I'm not gonna adjust it now. I'm gonna wear these on Sunday. We're gonna adjust the waistband, and then I am going to figure out how to style them. But I'm loving the length. I'm loving the bagginess. All right, I have these pieces of waistband, and I have this satin left over from another project. I'm using the satin just so I won't have so much bulk around the waist. So this will be the outside of the waistband, what you will see, and the satin will be the lining of the waistband. So I'm gonna cut one of these. Headed outside to stand in the middle of the street while we walk. Let's talk. So I'm about to show you the quilted pants. They turned out really good. Wore them to church today. They were a hit. And I like them, and I'm comfortable. I thrifted this sweater. It's vintage. It's 100% cotton. So I still have 3 more items to make. The coat, the jeans, which we're going to tweak this a little bit because I still haven't found the right item to upcycle, and the mystery item. So tune in next week. Let's see which item I choose. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. When it came out, the sky was nice and blue. And then she flipped the script. Light, work with me. Is this better? It's not. Oh, dang. Can I have, Lord, can I have just a piece of sun, like real quick? If you don't mind. Father, help your children. I just need a little sun to make a thumbnail and teach them.